Language focus. Kids, let's read the names in separate from animals and wild animals. Cow.
Cow. Cow is farm animal.
Deer.
Deer. Deer is wild animal.
Hen.
Hen. Hen is farm animal.
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey is wild animal.
Horse.
Horse. Horse is farm animal.
Lion.
Lion. Lion is wild animal.
Very good. Great job. Learning to spell. Find the correct spelling in each row. In this first row, correct spelling is I M P O R T A N T. Important. In this second row, correct spelling is F A M O U S. Famous. Kids, now your turn. Tell me the correct spellings in third and fourth row.
In this third row, correct spelling is F A V O U R I T E. Favorite. In this fourth row, correct spelling is G R A N D. Grand.
Excellent. Grammar. Kids, we all know about the adjectives. Can you tell me what is the adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a person, animal, place or a thing. For example, 2 chocolates, yellow butterfly, big car, round table. Here the words 2, yellow, big and round are describing the nouns chocolates, butterfly, car and table. Words used for numbers, colors, size and shape are adjectives. 2 tells about the number of chocolates, yellow tells about the color of the butterfly, big tells about the size of the car, round tells about the shape of the table. Now kids, match each adjective to its correct opposite.
Beautiful. Ugly. Clean. Dirty. White. Black. Happy. Sad.
Excellent kids. Kids, can you tell me what is action words?
Action words show what we do or express actions. For example, reading, stand, eat, drink, etc.
Activity. Kids, let's perform activity. Use the action words in the boxes to complete the sentences. Help, writes, cleans, read, play, cooks.
Maha cleans her room. They read storybooks. We help others. Amir plays with his toys. Saad writes a letter to his mother. Maha's mother cooks tasty food.
Excellent kids. Creative writing. Kids, I hope you will try to practice today's lesson at home by asking small questions at home and write their answers. So kids, write 5 sentences about your home using the word bank: clean, room, airy, beautiful, love. For example, my home. I love my home. Thank you. Happy learning.